Okay, sorry, back on, I cut the line there. Corrosion scaling and cast iron pipes ended from the side of the house. I recommend descaling. Apparently did these 18 months ago, but they did not descale these lines. Alright, so now we're entering, looks like a clay little transition there. I'm going to snap a picture. Continue. And now it's been lined, so that's a liner. So that's an epoxy liner. It's a good thing. That's what they did 18 months ago. I'm not sure where they accessed it or how, but couldn't find it to clean out. Could it have been buried in the garage? And you see the epoxy lining letters right there. Okay, now we're into ABS transition. And back into play again. We got a little valley there. If I get past this lip, offset on this connection. Oh, I don't think I'm going to be able to get past that offset joint. See, you got water's piling up there and transitions back down. That is a big lip. I've already made a lot of turns, so I made it. Okay, continuing down. Good, still epoxy liner. It's got to be cleaned up somewhere. That'll be installed, and I just don't know where it's at. 64 feet down, still epoxy liner, and then another transition again. And there we are to the main. So they did ran an epoxy line. It's 71 feet out from the side of this house. Let's see, we'll pull back now. Right there's our main. Looks like it's got a new top hat in there. Going back 45 feet, back to the liner. So somewhere right here, there's a clean out. I imagine, see the ABS, just don't know where it's at. Could be buried in the garage. Going back in. Epoxy liner. Transition clay. And then these waste lines are original cast iron. As you can see, they could use a descaling. Only recommendation, they're heavily corroded. About 12 feet, almost out. You see the corrosion in there. My recommendation is going to be to descale these waste lines. I mean, they're pretty bad. Heavy build. And we're back out. See our location here. We got several smaller clean outs. Again, the original cast iron with heavy corrosion scaling. So I'll just recommend descaling. Main line's been epoxied, which is great, and that looks all clear down to the city main. Top hat looks newer, and that should be doing it. Anyway, thank you. It's Reliable Property Inspection.